So hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to use WhatsApp on your computer or laptop. So if you do not have it pre-installed, go to any browser and type in whatsapp.com. Search it up and it should lead you to a homepage like this. As you can see here, there is also a download button if you want to download it, or you could also just use the WhatsApp wave. For now, I'm just going to use the WhatsApp wave. And now all of the instructions are already pre-written. I need to sync my phone and laptop, so it should provide you with a barcode that you can scan from your phone, and for that you need to open up your phone, open WhatsApp, and then click on the three dots and then click on link devices, and clicking on that should provide you with something like this. Click on link a device and then you should be able to scan the QR code from your WhatsApp on your computer will open up with a page like this. It will also give an option to either allow or not allow notification. You can choose as you want. So if you want to allow it, click on OK. Clicking on the chats button allows me to review my chats and talk with my friends, and clicking on the three dots at the top right corner allows me with different options. For example, there's the new group, start messages, select chats, and as I click on the new group button, it allows me to go through the list of my friends, or also just search them up and add them to a completely new group. And now just below the chats, as I click on the status button, I could update my status. So as you can see here, I could either click on that to add a status update, or clicking on the plus button allows me with two options to either share photos or videos or type in text. So as I click on the text button, it allows me to type something up. For example, for now, I'm just going to type a simple thing, and I'll just type hi there, and then I could just click on the send like button, and there I could update my status. There's also the channels button where I could search up different already existing channels. For example, I could follow different channels, Netflix, WhatsApp. I could follow them as many as I like. I could also click on discover more for more. I could also click on the new community and generate my whole new community. This will lead me to a page like this. I could just click on the arrow and then it would allow me to add a community photo. As you can see here, I could also add a community name, and I could add the community description at last. So just keep the name of your choice, the description of your choice, as you can see here. And clicking on the smiley like icon also gives me access to different emojis. And as you can see here on the very bottom left, there are two options: the settings options and the profile options. And as I click on the profile option, I could visit my profile. I could also edit my name, and I could also edit my about section. I could add a little description about myself. And then going back to the settings button, this allows me with different options. The first option is account, where I click on the secure notifications option. It allows me with different options, so security notifications on this computer and such. So I also have the request account info, where I could request to report something or request channel support. And now coming back, we also have the help button and how to delete my account. This has the whole step of how anyone could delete their WhatsApp account. And coming back, I also have the privacy options, where I could update different settings about privacy, such as the last seen and online option, the profile picture, who gets to see my profile picture and who does not. As you can see here, there are different options, and we also have the about section, who could see my about and who cannot. I had set it to my accounts. You could also set it to everyone if you wanted, and I could switch different between options. And I could come back and then change who could see my status. So, and we also have the default messenger timer, where you could also choose if you want to send a disappearing message. So as you can see here, we can start new chats with disappearing messages, and there are different options: 24 hours, 7 days, 90 days. So if we send a message with this feature on, then the message that we send would disappear within the time frame that we choose here. So we could choose between different options. For now, I just chose to turn it off. And then we also have the disable link previews option to help protect the IP address of your computer. And then we also have groups, so if who can add me to the groups. So as you can see here, I have everyone, but you could also choose my contacts, or you could choose an exception. So there you have the blocked contact. You could add a new blocked contact. Clicking on the adding new blocked contact provides you with a list of your contacts, and then you could just click one. And then we also have the app lock. In order to provide a more secured conversation, this device also allows you to set an app lock. So you can click in the password for verification. You also need to re-enter the password, so please remember that the password that you entered first would be the same as the second password, and you need to have something strong and also that you could remember it. And then as you come back, you could also switch between different modes to see the chats. I could see all of my chats, or just the unread chats, or just the group messages. And so those were basically all of the features of WhatsApp that you need to know before getting started. So thank you for watching the video.